Hey everybody, how you all doing? So for this week's exercise of the week, I want to show you one of the best, if not the best, upper abs muscle building exercises. So for example, if you want to make those upper abs pop, this is the kind of exercise you want to do. And the great thing is it's 100% body weight. It's called the Gymnastics Crunch. And basically you can do it on parallel bars, the captain chair, anything like that. But I actually just use my kitchen tabletop to do it. So you want to support yourself with your hands just wider than shoulder width onto the tabletop. And then you want to lock out your elbows and turn your armpits forward. Okay, so from the front, you're going to do this and forward. This is just to provide you with a nice stable base so that you can do the exercise. So once you're in this position, you're then going to contract your abs and try and bring your lower body upwards. Yes, this is an advanced exercise, and yes, I'll provide you with progression exercises that's easier in a second. So you're going to get yourself in this position, then you lift yourself up from the ground, and from here you're now going to contract your upper abs and you do this. Okay? And instantly it hits your upper abs. It's such a great muscle building exercise for your upper ab area. But yes, this is an advanced exercise. So let me give you 2 progression exercises that you can use to build up to this if you're not at this level yet. And both these progression exercises are great upper abs and abdominal exercises in general. So don't scoff at them. Go and do them until you can build up to this exercise. The first is your ab snail. And this is a great exercise in its own right, like I've mentioned, also hits your upper abs and a very similar movement pattern. And the second exercise, once you can do that one, is a simple sliding pike, which once again, as you can see, uses a similar movement pattern. So you're doing the exact same exercise, but as we move and change the angle of your body to increase the intensity and the weight, the harder the exercise becomes until you can one day do the gymnastics crunch. So there you go, guys, a great exercise to go and try out. And remember, if you like to build your body, build strength and transform your body using bodyweight exercises, you will love my Bodyweight Evolution Challenge, and you can check that out at bodyweight.evo.com. Until the next one, click on the like button if you like this video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.